Hey everyone, I am Lakshman Casey. So today in this video I'm gonna explain about cloud computing. So let's begin. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the delivering of computing services over the internet, such as databases, storage, servers, networking and software. Rather than buying your own maintenance of physical data centers and servers, you can access these services from the cloud providers such as AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, etc. Cloud computing is so popular for various reasons, with faster innovation, flexible resource, speed and efficiency, and also in terms of scalability. Let's understand cloud computing in depth. Cloud computing is not like computing services in the cloud somewhere in the sky, not like that, but it is located somewhere in the remote location. Companies that provide those services enables the user to store, process and manage data on remote servers, and then you can access, but you need good internet connection. Cloud computing can be public, private and hybrid. Public cloud service allow the users to access over the internet for free, such as email, Google Doc, etc. Private cloud services, on contrast, allow only certain number of users. And also hybrid cloud services is the mix of both public and private cloud services. Who uses cloud computing and why they use it? Organization of every size, types and industry, government and even individual consumers can use cloud computing. Why they use this? Because cloud computing provides the users wide range of use cases such as virtual computers, servers, data backup, email, storage, big data analytics, machine learning, Internet of Things, etc. You have to only pay for what you have used, not other. And let's talk about the benefit of cloud computing. Cost saving. It is totally cost saving. You don't need to buy your own software, hardware and maintaining those things. It is really faster. Reliability. It is totally reliable. And cloud computing makes data backup, disaster recovery and make the business faster and less expensive. What about the scalable? It is totally scalable, providing the right IT resource to meet change in demand. For example, more or less computing powers, storage, bandwidth, right when it is needed and from the right geographical location. And let's talk about the types of cloud computing. They are software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. This was for today. Thank you very much for watching my video.